Escape velocity. It is the minimum velocity with which a body must be projected vertically upwards in order that it may escape from the gravitation field of the earth. So what is the minimum velocity required for the any mass on the earth surface which will be escaped out from the gravitation field of the earth, or this is the basics for escape velocity of the rocket. So when we launch the rocket, rocket having the mass of m, small m, so it can be escaped out from the gravitation field, then only it will reach the space. So what is the minimum velocity required? So dear students, understand the concept. This gravitation potential energy means bringing the mass from infinity to the inside the earth surface. Here it is the move the body from earth surface to the infinity. So both are same calculation, only the limits can be varied. So the gravitation force of attraction of the body at the point P is F is equal to g mm by x squared. As we are moving the body from P to Q, there is a small work done dx. So what is the small displacement dx? The small work done is dw. So work done is equal to force into displacement. So we have to write that small work done is equal to F into dx. So small work done is equal to g mm by x squared into dx. So by total work done is integrating the very simple calculation from the earth surface or to infinity. But for gravitation potential, we have to put that infinity as a infinity to r. The lower limit infinity, upper limit r. Here the lower limit is r and upper limit is infinity. From the earth surface to infinity, we have to move. The same thing g mm by r will be taken outside. Integration of x power minus 2 into dx. So integration of x power minus 2 is the minus 1 by x. So substituting the upper limit and lower limit. So minus 1 by infinity minus of minus plus 1 by r. So we get work done which is equal to g mm by r. This work done is equal to kinetic energy or has to be supplied to that particular body. So the kinetic energy of that particular body must be 1 by mv square. V is E, I will represent this E, I means escape velocity of the body, which is equal to work done g mm by r. Get cancelled, bring this 2 here. So the escape velocity square, which is equal to 2 gm by r. So escape velocity is equal to root of 2 gm by r. So very simple students, this is the minimum velocity required for any body on the earth surface to escape from the earth gravitational field to the space. So root of 2 gm by r square. G is a gravitation constant, m is the mass of the earth, r is a radius of the earth. This equation can be applied to any planet. As we know that the gravity, acceleration due to gravity of the earth, g is equal to gm by r squared. So gm is equal to gr squared. Substitute this gm is equal to gr squared in the escape velocity formula, root of 2 gm by r. So instead of gm we have to substitute gr squared. So we get root of 2 gr squared by r get cancelled. We get escape velocity of the any body on the earth surface is equal to root of 2 gr. G is the acceleration due to gravity of the earth. So the mass is equal to volume into density. So mass of the earth is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. Substitute this mass in this equation. So substitute this mass in this equation, root of 2g by r instead of mass 4 by 3 pi r cube rho. Okay, r and here we get the r squared. So we get an equation 8 pi rho g r squared by 3. So the escape velocity we can write in the 3 different forms. Escape velocity of the body v is equal to root of 2 gm by r, then root of 2 gr, then root of 8 pi rho g r squared by 3. So these 2 equations clearly explains that escape velocity does not depend upon the mass of the projected body, but it will be depend upon the gravity. So when the gravity increases, we have to need the more escape velocity. So that is a very important thing. So calculation of escape velocity for the earth. If any body has to be projected upwards, vertically upwards to go to the space from the earth surface, that means launching a rocket is what is is the minimum velocity required means g is equal to 9.8. The radius of the earth is 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. Substituting these values in this escape velocity formula, we get approximately 11.2 kilometer per second. If any body is projected, it will be thrown, it will be moved upwards, vertically upwards from the earth surface at a velocity of more than equal to or greater than or equal to 11.2 kilometer per second means it will be escaped out from the earth's gravitational field. So that is the escape velocity. So we clearly seen that what is the gravitation field. So gravitation field means there will be a force of attraction between the any two bodies. If these two bodies are placed in the gravitation field of one another, then we are calculate that what is the minimum work done. The work done required for bringing a body from space to earth surface, that is the gravitation potential energy. After that we see that what is the minimum velocity required for any body has to be escape from earth to space is called as the escape velocity.